Hey, we're live from Florida iCAST 2023 with Greg from Minn Kota, who's going to be running us through the new motors today. What do we got, Greg?
So yeah, starting right here on the corner, we've got the new Minn Kota Ultrex Quest. That's the brushless platform of the well-known Minn Kota Ultrex trolling motor. Still got the heel-toe style cable steer foot pedal, but we've got a beefed up steering housing here. It's quieter, it's faster, and because of the power that the new QUEST brushless motors create, everything had to get a little beefier, right? So even our shafts got a little larger in diameter. They've got carbon fiber built into them.
Yep.
The mono arm design itself has had all the pivot hubs redesigned, billet aluminum and high-end composites. So it's a whisper quiet system, the most powerful cable steer style foot control motor in the industry. So super excited about that.
Yeah, you were mentioning torque earlier too. Can you talk a little bit about the importance of that and how that all plays out here?
That's a great question. So torque is going to change the experience. When we talk about it in terms of torque, it changes your perspective on the water, right? We've all heard about thrust, but we got to pivot the conversation to torque, because torque is really the ability of the motor to move you through any and all situations, and QUEST is really that. QUEST is the motor that's been designed to handle the worst of the worst conditions, and you've got to have torque to get that job done, and that's what QUEST brings to the game. So again, we really want to focus on the experience people have on the water. When they get their foot on that pedal, they're going to feel a difference. So
awesome. And I know you also mentioned how quiet it is. Sometimes you don't even know if it's on or not.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. So with that brushless technology, and doing some things with the prop and the overall design of the steering housing and the mounts and everything was designed with silence in mind.
Yep.
Because we know the bass guy, stealth is critical. So we want to make sure we deliver that, and we've done that with QUEST.
Excellent. What else do we got going on?
So on the next station over, we've got the new Minn Kota Terrova Quest. It's our freshwater Terrova with the brushless platform, again, built from the ground up, again, larger platform to handle the higher torque output. And again, I'll just reemphasize, 50% more torque than what you've experienced on today's motors, 30% more efficient with that brushless technology. Moving down to the next line, you're gonna see that's the Minn Kota Ulterra. So Minn Kota Ulterra is very familiar and common to a lot of our consumers, but this is Ulterra on the QUEST platform, right? So all new redesign with the trim housing and the steering housing for auto stow and deploy. The only company in the business to be making an auto stow and deploy motor. That's the Ulterra Quest. Again, that's available in 60, 72, 87 and 100-inch shaft lengths in those, so that's super exciting. But we also have that available in saltwater, and that motor is called Instinct. So RT Instinct Quest is specifically designed for saltwater, again available in 60-inch, 72, 87 and 100-inch shaft lengths in black or white colors as well. Then moving on down to the very end, you see the motor on the end that's white in color. That's our RT, our Riptide Terrova Quest. Yep. So just like the freshwater Terrova Quest, it's available in saltwater as well. Another thing I should point out too, with all of these freshwater motors in particular, on the QUEST platform, you have built-in sonar options of dual spectrum chirp or with mega side imaging. So unique to Humminbird technology, right? The premium sonar with mega imaging capability. All that's built right into those motors as well.
Excellent. And with a few different options out there for consumers, what do you think really separates this line from the competition out there?
Well, first of all, we've been doing this for over 85 years, so we've got a little bit of experience in this game, so we know what we're doing, we know what our consumers expect and demand. And so our expertise in that regard, I think, will go a long ways to showing the consumers what QUEST can mean for them.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, Greg.
Yes, thank you.